guys, Robbie from Pyro City Fireworks. Today we are talking about the IPA from Wind Fireworks. This is a 4-pack, 500-gram cakes, all individually unique. They are 36 shots a piece, so you've got a total of 144 shots in this whole thing. Check it out. How about that? That is a case you can go through that won't leave you hungover. I'm Robbie from Pyro City Fireworks. Drop a comment below if you checked this one out on a Friday night before and let us know what you think of it.